Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the FibroPool FH135 35,000 BTU electric pool heat pump. I've looked through the internet, checked pool owner reviews, heating cost discussions, installation experiences, and long-term user feedback, and today I'm going to help you figure out whether the FibroPool FH135 is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. One of the biggest reasons people start looking at pool heaters is simple. They want to use their pool more often. The problem is that even when the air feels warm, pool water can remain uncomfortably cold, especially during spring and fall. The FibroPool FH135 is designed specifically to solve that problem for smaller pools and spas while keeping operating costs relatively manageable. The first thing that stands out is the 35,000 BTU heating capacity. Now, this isn't intended for massive commercial pools or huge backyard setups, but for pools up to around 7,500 gallons, it appears to perform quite well according to user feedback. Many owners report noticeable temperature improvements that allow them to start swimming earlier in the season and continue later into the year. One feature that gets a lot of praise is the heat pump technology itself. Unlike traditional gas heaters that generate heat directly, the FH135 transfers heat from the surrounding air into the pool water. This approach is significantly more energy efficient. The advertised COP rating of up to 5.55 means that under ideal conditions, the unit can produce far more heating energy than the electricity it consumes. Many users mention lower operating costs than they initially expected, especially when compared to gas-powered alternatives. Perhaps the biggest advantage for many homeowners is the fully electric 120-volt design. This is a major selling point because it allows installation using standard household power rather than requiring specialized high-voltage electrical systems. Several owners specifically mention choosing this model because it avoids some of the complexity and cost associated with larger pool heaters. Another area where the FH135 performs well is versatility. Whether you have an above-ground pool, a smaller in-ground pool, a spa, or even certain hot tub setups, this unit is designed to work across a variety of applications. That flexibility makes it attractive to homeowners who want a heating solution without having to shop for highly specialized equipment. The compact design is also worth mentioning. Pool equipment areas can get crowded quickly, and many users appreciate the relatively small footprint of this heat pump. The round cabinet design fits into tighter spaces than some larger rectangular systems, which can be helpful for homeowners with limited equipment pad space. Noise levels are another positive aspect. Pool owners often worry about adding another loud machine to their backyard, but many reviews indicate that the FH135 operates relatively quietly compared to larger heating systems. The low noise operation makes it easier to enjoy your outdoor space without constant background noise from pool equipment. Another thing users appreciate is the simplicity. Because there are fewer moving parts compared to some heating systems, maintenance requirements tend to be relatively straightforward. Combined with the weather-resistant IPX4 construction, the unit appears designed for long-term outdoor use. Now there are a few limitations to consider before buying. First, this heater is specifically designed for smaller pools and spas. If your pool exceeds the recommended size range, heating performance may not meet your expectations. Larger pools generally require more powerful systems. It's also important to understand that heat pumps depend heavily on outdoor air temperature. The warmer the air, the more efficiently the system operates. During colder weather, heating performance naturally decreases compared to what you might experience during mild conditions. Additionally, while the 120V operation is incredibly convenient, it also means the system isn't designed to compete with much larger commercial-grade heating solutions. But overall, after looking through reviews and real-world owner experiences, I honestly think the FibroPool FH135 fills a very specific niche extremely well. It offers energy-efficient heating, easy installation, quiet operation, and compatibility with smaller pools and spas without requiring gas service or complex electrical upgrades. So would I recommend buying it? Honestly, yes. If you own a pool, spa, or hot tub within the recommended size range and want an efficient, user-friendly heating solution that runs on standard household power, then the FibroPool FH135 is definitely worth considering.